Hello everyone, it's Polkadot Insider here. Welcome back to our educational video series, and today we'll walk into how to use StellaSwap, one of the first decentralized exchanges for the Moonbeam Chain network, to create a broad range of network effects to address issues of liquidity in the DeFi space, instead of limiting ourselves to a single solution like many DEXs are doing now. They're strongly committed to establishing a strong foundation with their native token, Stella, as a governance token, diverse farms, a built-in bridge, and bring more user-centered services. Let's check it out. Well, before moving on, we need to know more about StellaSwap. So StellaSwap is a leading all-in-one DEX on the Moonbeam Network that offers services like exchange, earning yield, trade NFTs, accessing high-quality IDO, and bridging assets from different chains. StellaSwap aims at serving 1 billion users by providing the integrated DeFi ecosystem on Moonbeam with the highest security. StellaSwap is a project that is like the hybrid model between DEX with concentrated liquidity and cross-chain swap. The project is like the one-stop DeFi station on the Moonbeam Network and continues to go to cross-chain and expand to go beyond limit to connect all chains available in the crypto space. And one of the most outstanding figures about StellaSwap is that since minted on January 2022 to this moment of April 2023, StellaSwap has reached more than 1 billion volume transactions just in 1 year with unfully completed services and features, but they can already achieve this number. Imagine this number could go how far in the next 2 years or in the next bull season. Oh my god. Firstly, we need to get access to StellaSwap.com website and look for the Launch App button. Click on it. And after being redirected to a new screen as displayed here, please carefully check the URL link if it is like this or not to prevent phishing attacks. Then we press Connect to a wallet to continue. Just in case we don't have one yet, we can create a new wallet using any of the Polkadot wallets out there, like Subwallet, Nova Wallet, and yeah, Talisman. We already have videos to support you guys in creating your own Polkadot wallet. The link is in the description. Now we will see an approved section, but there is something wrong. At this stage, please note that Moonbeam is an EVM compatible one parachain that leverages the speed, security, and reliability of the Polkadot network, while offering the same developer tools and configurations as Ethereum. Therefore, we need to set up an EVM wallet and connect it to StellaSwap. If we already have one, we can import that to use. Otherwise, we can create a new EVM wallet to connect to us like this. Click on the avatar and press Create New Account. And at step 3, we need to take on the EVM wallet, save our passphrase, and take on the Save Passphrase section. And remember to untick the last box that will auto-connect all that when this account is created for our fund to be safe. Then click on Next Step. Enter our password for this wallet and then choose our wallet. Then we are good to go. Once connected to StellaSwap, it will usually appear a red alert which informs us that you are on the wrong network. Just head over to our wallet, click on the bar next to our avatar, and press the Custom Network button. Then search for Moonbeam and add it to our wallet by turning the switch to go green. Alright, we can start now. And now we can see that StellaSwap is offering so many features on their platform, including trade, earn, stake, transfer, pulsar, and other than that, we can even track total value block for StellaSwap, the prop Stella token, analytics, and other functions like NFT or Launchpad. Alright, can't wait to dive into each feature to experience the top leading DEX in Moonbeam. Okay, let's start with the trade button. There will be 3 main options for these features, and first is swap section. We can exchange between so many coins supported in the Moonbeam network, including stable coins, wrap tokens from the network that bridge from multichain or wormhole bridge, and even with the liquidity providing token. And also, we can be flexible to adjust slippage rate as we wish in the settings. Furthermore, we can swap assets from different EVM chains that have good money flows like Ethereum, BNB chain to Moonbeam, and even from chains that's in Cosmos space such as Juno, Osmosis, Secret Network to Moonbeam as well through StellaSwap. And just choose the cross and swap section, and we can choose to connect our EVM or Ethereum wallets such as MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or a Cosmos wallet like Como Station. And next up, We need to enter the amount of token we want to swap from what chains and choose token we want to receive on what chains in just one simple click. We save a lot of transaction cost and convenience for users. And with all things I said, we just need to submit and approve our wallet in just one click. And all thanks to StellaSwap Seller for accelerating cross-chain interaction in Web3. Then a trade section, we can choose to convert a single token to an LP token. Normally, to form LP token, we must have 2 tokens to form a pair. However, in StellaSwap, we just need to give one single-sided token and choose the LP token that we want to go to stake on a farm section, and StellaSwap covers the rest. This is so great and convenient for users. You know, one of the most interesting features of StellaSwap is the Buy Crypto Fiat section. Therefore, users on-ramp solutions that do not need to deposit through intermediaries like centralized exchange of Binance or Coinbase. We can simply buy the token we want to use fiat money with existing payment methods like Visa, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Bank Wire, Cash App, and we can sell those tokens to earn money through banking supporting services. And next is farming. In this section, we can choose to farm with the existing pools that match the current token we have and our desired APY. Let's take an example of first pool and assume that we already have the GMR token and choose this GMR WBTC pool and click on deposit. We'll be directed to the page where we have 3 stages: selecting pair, choosing range, and entering the amount. And when choosing a range by entering the min and max price for our stake token, GMR in the example, StellaSwap will support us to reveal the range which is suitable for different level of farming according to our risk averse, such as conservative level where rewards and risks for farming are low, or expert level where the rewards of farming are higher, but the risks are higher as well. And lastly, we just need to enter the amount of GMR token and WBTC token and choose ratio according to our calculation of risk and rewards. And next on the list is the staking section. This is the place where we can stake StellaSwap native token, Stella, to earn X Stella. Staking Stella doesn't only give us a high APY of up to more than 20%, but it can also bring us enormous benefits from the ecosystem, such as boost farming reward, access to mint NFT and trade NFT, voting and governance, receiving free partners token, and even earn from each of the trade fees. Not only that, we can mint my stablecoin from X Stella to earn more yield by staking my stablecoin on farming section. And finally, the ultimate crucial feature of StellaSwap is its transfer section. Users of StellaSwap can bridge any supported tokens from and to Moonbeam of other chains. Moreover, they can also deposit or withdraw assets and transfer native assets across parachains via XCM using XC transfer. This feature is the ultimate factor that we could consider StellaSwap as a hidden gem project when the project supports transferring token between EVM chains and transferring from or to Moonbeam Network. Not only that, but StellaSwap also supports native token transfer across parachains via XCM. Furthermore, StellaSwap also supports swapping tokens cross-chain from Cosmos to Moonbeam. And for helping to imagine how crazy and unique the features that StellaSwap is offering, Parachain and Polkadot and Cosmos are the 2 biggest ecosystems, which are including hundreds of the other blockchain layer 1 within. This is so amazing, right? And StellaSwap is connected and support to the biggest ecosystems that are available on the crypto space. Last but not least, if you do not have GMR to pay gas fees on the Moonbeam, head over to Swap for Gas of StellaSwap because they support swapping any tokens GMR to pay gas fees without taking fees from that transaction on the network. Imagine bridging USDC to Moonbeam and converting our USDC straight into GMR without requiring GMR gas that we need to deposit from central exchange with large fees. Oh my god, that's impressive. You can even like faucet-free GMR tokens for unsupported Swap for Gas token. That's the generous of StellaSwap. However, we need to prove that this is our first transaction that bridged to Moonbeam. And that's a video about how to use StellaSwap, the most advanced and leading DEX in Moonbeam Network. If you really enjoyed the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Polkadot Insider for more insightful, interesting videos. Bye! See you next time.